I'm on La Cañada, just north of Duval Mine Road, heading north, so not too far from the cemetery, mortuary. There are roughly 50 poles down along here. That is Police Chief Noland in the car ahead of me, taking me through this. This is going to be closed for several days. You can see that pedestrians simply can't be here. There's a lot of downed poles, wires, just quite a sight from last night's storm. A lot of churches along here, some homes. They're allowing people back here who have a reason to be here. Not easy getting in and out though.